Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've made a lot of videos on macromonster.com, mainly on e-cuts because that's what I used to have. I've lost it and just never got it back. But somebody was watching my video, and so this cost $70, $69.95. It is incredible. I just have been so busy and things. I just don't. Well, I've made every video I think that you could out of it. But somebody questioned they couldn't get this one to work, and because this is a free one, you can go to the website right now and order this for free. And he was having trouble, and I contacted Jeff that evidently wrote this, and he sent me the GMS, and I'm going to send it to the gentleman. But you can very easily order it. I didn't really ever think too much about it. It's called Select Same. Well, that won't zoom in on that. But what it does is pretty cool. Now there's some things in e-cuts that are cooler and can do stuff, but if you look, these are all hairlines except for these two. And you can't tell the difference. So if I select this and tell it to select by the width of the outline, it's going to select the two that are like that, and then we can make them blue. It didn't select anything else. Now the rest, I would do the rest with hairline, but it's kind of the same thing. Then there is, I'm not even going to probably go over them all. Let's go to size. Take away the width outline. And I want to pick, this is a 5-inch circle. I want to pick all the 5-inch circles. So I'm just going to go size and hit select. There are all the 5-inch circles. That's pretty cool. There's other macros that would change the size of it now and stuff, but this is, you can do node count, which we just did. No, we haven't done that. Look, if we look, this is something that could be very helpful in deleting stuff. There are 4 nodes on that one. There are 5 on this one. I intentionally put it. So I want to find all the 5 node circles. Take away the size, add node count, and it selected all the circles. Well, I didn't get the X. Let me do it again. There's the 5 node. It's selected. I can't see to move it around. Tell you what, let me move this out of the way. And then select this, making sure that is the 5 node. You have to go to your shape tool. So it is the 5 node. I'm going to select that. And there's all the nodes with 5 nodes. All the rest of them have 4 nodes. So if you were doing a piece of art that had a bunch of strange stuff and you wanted to pick out some ones that had more nodes so you could clean them up. And also on the size, if we do size, these are, well, let's make them all, well, see there's a program, I've changed this so these aren't 3 inches anymore. But let's just do this right here. That's a 5-inch circle. This is a 6. This is a, tell you what, let me just do that. And with this program, I'm going to make this a 5-inch square. And with this program, it doesn't really care if it's a circle or a square. Let's go back to size. And we want this size. Select all. And it selected all the 5-inch. And regardless if it's a circle or a deal, and I'm not even covering it all. Subpath, which I'm not even 100% sure. Active layer only. That's, I don't ever use layers in mine. But you've got type, fill. Oh, so, okay, let's try that. Here we had the 4-inch, 5-inch circles and a square. This time we're going to go and type. Now this time it only selected the circles. And then, of course, the fill, if we wanted to do just the fill, if we want all the blue fills, please choose at least one of the items. I thought I did. Oh, because I undid fill. It selected all the blue fill. Kind of hard to prove it right now. Let me try that again. I'm really curious. Well, you know what? Let's delete some of these so I can keep this in. And you don't need your calculator. So let's do the yellows. And we want all the yellow fills. So I got yellow circles, and so I'm going to go fill. It selected all the yellows. That's pretty cool. So go to Monster Macro. They have tons of macros, and they have quite a few that are free. I need to get this back. I just haven't ever had time to look into it. Because if you want to search, you're on my video right now. If you'll go to the magnifying glass and just search E-cut or macros, there are quite a few videos that come up on that. But anyway, I hope I got that one person running today, and hope that helped you in the future. And thank you for watching.